Alrighty, freshmen, this is your new project. We were going to do the informative assessment, but we were recommended by admin to not do that while we are doing remote learning, so I made this guy for you, the ELS COVID-19 Super Project TCAM. Woohoo! I can feel your excitement from the comfort of my own home. In any case, this is what it looks like right here. Project overview. We're going to be talking about justice, watching To Kill a Mockingbird, and then you'll be reading. It's only 3 checkpoints, 2 final projects, alright? So checkpoint number 1. It's just the To Kill a Mockingbird background information. You will find what you need in here. There's a little bit of video, some information. I want to know 10 things you learned. Any questions you still have. We won't be reading To Kill a Mockingbird, we're just going to be watching it. So you need to do that first. Submit that when you are finished. Then, you will go to checkpoint 2. This is where you will find the movie and the movie guide. So, here is the guide that you will be filling out as you watch the movie. I have it broken into parts with questions in each part. I expect you to answer these questions in full sentences with proper grammar. Once again, full sentences, all right? And sometimes you're going to need multiple sentences. The movie's broken into 9 parts, so as you can see, I have part 1 right here for you, parts 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 here. The reason why I clumped these together is because these are kind of mixed together as far as the questions relating to which parts. Here is where you'll find the film access. Should be able to open this guy up. It'll take you to a drive. You will see the movie in parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Please watch them in order and answer questions as you go, all right? Once you finish that, you can submit, once again, this for feedback. Once I give you the green light, go ahead and submit it in the movie guide right down here, okay? Then, once you've watched the movie, shouldn't take you too long. That's like 2 days of work. There is a project that goes along with it as well. This is a little bit more complicated. So here are the directions for you in checkpoint 3. Your directions. You've been given 3 columns with 4 options. So remember, columns right here, where it says pick one, you pick 1 out of each column. Each column has 4 options. You choose 1 option from each column. So, what you will be doing is you will be picking a reading. I've given you 4-ish options. You can either choose a novel that I've listed here or one of your own that I've approved. You may choose a story from Characters in Conflict, which I understand you don't have access to, but these are all Googleable. Harrison Bergeron I may actually delete since we've already read it. You may read The Letter from Birmingham Jail by Dr. Martin Luther King. And if you choose this, you will also have to write a 1-paragraph summary of the background information to the letter. Or you may watch Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s speech, I Have a Dream. But if you choose this option, you also have to identify 10 uses of figurative language or oratorical devices found in the speech. So this gives you information on figurative language, and here's the link to his speech. So choose 1 of these options, not 4. You choose 1 of these options, all right? As you read the story, you need to keep a topic in mind. So move over to the topic column. Choose race, gender, justice, or equality. These are the 4 topics that you should be looking at while you are watching To Kill a Mockingbird. There's a lot about race, gender, justice, and equality. I'm not making you take a bunch of notes on quotes or anything like that. If it gets to that, I can help you find quotes for the informative assessment if need be. I have no idea how the rest of this year is going to play out yet as far as distance learning or anything like that. But anyway, moving on. Choose a reading, choose a topic. We want 1 of each. Once you've done that, you choose a project. You can either create a slideshow that has at least 5 ways your reading in To Kill a Mockingbird are the same, and 5 ways they are different in regards to your topic. Like, let's think of race. So, if you pick I have a dream, this is just a quick example that I can think of, and race, you could say that, you know, To Kill a Mockingbird isn't super, racism is still very prevalent in To Kill a Mockingbird. It is also very prevalent in Dr. Martin Luther King's speech, only he doesn't view it as a normal thing like To Kill a Mockingbird might. Something like that. So you can do this just in Google Slides, share it with me. Should probably be 5 to 10 slides. I want some pictures in there as well. Also, it can't be stuff like, well, the narrator of To Kill a Mockingbird is a girl and the narrator of my story is a boy. You may also choose to create 2 works of art, one for To Kill a Mockingbird, one for your reading. Describe how each work represents your topic. Once again, I need 5 ways the reading and To Kill a Mockingbird are similar, 5 ways they're different. You may create a PowerPoint or a Prezi. I know that's a little bit more involved. Once again, we need the compare and contrast. How are 5 ways you're reading and To Kill a Mockingbird the same? How are they different? Or you can write a 5-paragraph essay, which I know not many of you are going to choose. So this was a quick overview of these directions. Once again, you pick 1 reading, 1 topic to address, and 1 project to do. Don't do it all. Pick 1 from each column. Please contact me by email or through my Google Voice text. Don't really call me unless we set up a time because I don't answer my phone. Once you've finished that project, once you've picked your project, I should say, sorry about that, you're going to tell me which topic you choose, which reading you choose, and which project you choose. So I know that you know where you're going with everything. Once you've done that and you have finished your project, you submit it to the Final Project tab. All right? It's a pretty simple project. I want to keep it as simple as possible because I know everyone right now is super stressed out. Your parents are stressed. You're probably stressed. So I wanted to make this engaging, maybe a touch fun, and easy to get through. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any issues at all with anything. This is a really weird time for everyone and we're all navigating new waters. So any questions you have, please get in touch. I hope you all are staying happy and healthy and that you're washing your hands. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Also remember that I never assign you more work than I think that you can do. I know that you can all get this done in the time that we are given, which I think I've given you 4 weeks to do this. And then I'll reassess kind of what our next course of action is. So just know that I have total faith in you for being able to get this all done. Let me know if I can help at all.